We are Breath High School's Pupil Council. We are responsible for bringing forward pupils' ideas to senior management, staff and others involved in the school to make sure everyone has a voice.
There is one Pupil Council representative per form class through S1 to 6. Junior reps and senior reps attend monthly meetings with Miss Syme, Mr Livingston, Mrs Shaw and other members of staff to discuss different topics and improvements we can make in and around the school.
Last year alone, though some of our plans were cut off by lockdown, we made various changes throughout the school. We took part in consultations on Show My Homework, Home Learning, Healthy and more.
We took part in fighting period poverty and providing free accessible sanitary products in our toilets.
We have provided wheelchair-friendly picnic benches outside. We have introduced an award for pupils in our award ceremonies, selected by Pupil Council in conjunction with Reading Muirhead and Wollaston Community Council.
We collected unwanted clothes, bags, belts, shoes for our rag bag collection. All money raised weighing these donations goes towards funding our school.
You can be heard at any time. You can talk to your form class's Pupil Council representative or anyone with a Pupil Council badge.
You can see our recent updates on what Pupil Council are up to on our Twitter page at Pupil Council BHS, as well as our display board next to the school library.
Pupil Council, building respect and earning success with your right to an opinion, Article 12.